What's so cool about manufacturing? Weatherly Area School District finds out at Hydrotech.
Hydrotech is about pumps that help clean up the aftermath of a flood. They are widely used in many different industries and an ever-growing range of applications.
I had some welding experience in school and hard work. Probably our test equipment, flow meters, and things like that.
Welding was a big part of it. I have a lot of mechanical background, a lot of fabricating, which is a big part of this job. We make a lot of our own parts here, and you know, quality comes first, so it's a really good, it's a rewarding job. You feel good about what you do. The most important, your brain. I mean, you really got to think things through with this job. There's, you know, no shortcuts, got to be right. Think about what you're doing, like the welders, the grinders, and
I'm a sales engineer, so whenever this customer requests come in for a piece of equipment, I will be able to help advise what's best for their applications. I like the smaller manufacturing environment compared to corporate environment, so I can know where the piece of equipment are, have my hands on it, and help the customer directly.
Thanks for watching.